Suren Junior College Activity Center held a fantasy style of exhibition of Warhammer skill models. On March 2nd, a period of 3 weeks, over 1,000 handmade skill models and dedicated periodicals with DIY area to let students experience an excitement of making things by themselves. Hello everyone, my name is Leo. So today we are in a Warhammer exhibition. We got really unique Warhammer skill models. Right here we can see this big yellow one, yeah. And let's see what we got. Let's go. Suren Junior College Activity Center held a fantasy-style exhibition of Warhammer skill models. The collector teacher, Mr. Mascari, spent over 30 years on producing handmade skill models. Today's subject, Warhammer, is a popular board game in global.
So I started playing when I was 9 years old. Basically one day a student, they came in with like a little tiny miniature and everyone was like, wow, that's really cool. And then in the UK we kind of got into the hobby because in the UK there are stores which you go to and they're like communities. And so what they did was like you have a community of people, and then because of that you can make new friends, you can meet people from different areas, from different backgrounds. Even you will see kids who are about 12 playing with people who are about 60 years old.
Today's subject, Warhammer, is a popular board game in the world. Medieval design and various strategy attract many different players. Now, we invite the director of Activity Center, Teacher David, talk about the main motivation of exhibition.
所以我们这次特别邀请了 Adrian 老师，他的就是一些收藏品，那就是希望他可以借由这次的展览能可以展出来。那这次的展览呢，基本上就是他数年的收藏品。那基本上这些的小的这些 scale model， 基本上就是现在时下的年轻人最喜欢玩的电玩的始祖。
Skill models were being used in multiple ways. For instance, occupational therapy has been used for training patients' concentration. What's more, people couldn't go out during the pandemic. This game became the biggest way for social interaction. This event will be hosted until March 21st. We are happy to see you and welcome to join us.